Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We are live on the YouTube.
When I'm partial, so you put in the amount on the so let's say you have 3 accounts, right? Okay, 5 micros, which is 15 between 3 accounts. Do I switch to 9? Yeah, now what I do is, so if I went in 5 micros per account and you're typing in 15 total, just do the same amount of what you want off. So if you wanted 2 micros off for each account, you would type in the thing on the copy trading, so it'd be 6, and then you press, like, if you're in a buy position, you press the sell button, if that makes sense. Or you could put your limit orders, like your stop, your limit orders. You'll put that amount in, and it'll pop up on the copy trader. Yeah, no, in the limits it'll say like 2. Like it shows you the amount on the side. It shouldn't say that. It's weird. Try it again. Like, try and just place one all the way up the top, or it won't get hit. Here, hold on. Let me get the bias out, and then I'll help you with that real quick. Because look, we came up hourly time frame.
It's good, YouTube.
If we use the fib, we reacted off the 79% extension level. Market just opened. If we mark out those 1-hour highs that got swept pre-market,
Pull up the YouTube chat.
these highs got swept first. I want to see if we inverse this fair value gap. I'll be totally honest. These highs already got swept.
Already.
1 hour. These lows didn't get swept yet. I mean, did get swept, but these lows didn't form.
Sweat these.
But what I'm interested in is we swept these 1-hour highs. So we swept these 1-hour highs, broke structure to the downside. Then we swept out these lows. I don't think we're gonna come back up.
If we inverse this 5 and create a
This 5-minute imbalance here. It needs to get reacting down again off of it.
we inverse this 5.
Still haven't broke structure to the upside yet. And we swept liquidity. 5-minute. Where do we break structure?
This like isn't terrible, but
Broke
it's like
structure on that candle close, or you could say this one. I would say this is the 5-minute order block.
That's the mute button for when I enter.
Let's see if we disrespect this 5-minute though.
smoke. I got a permanent cough. We best and take these lows down.
Next draw will be all the way up here.
Got that 5-minute inversion. Oh, I smoking a zip. Be patient with this one. We did get this 5-minute inversion of the downside, but I was born to win.
Market wants to give us.
What is this line here?
I'm gonna wait till the macro, but that's weird that that says that for you. You're sure you're on? No, Zach, you have 5 accounts, right? That you're trading with? 3. Put in 3 and see what happens. See if that marks that as 1.
Unlock a new world of efficiency with Asana. Automate workflows so your team can have less follow-up and more follow-through. Try for free today at asana.com.
Maybe send them an email. That's how that's how I put mine. And it works for me usually. Weird.
Another hoe got me finished, broke my heart. Oh no, you didn't. I'm a Danaher battle.
Maybe when you enter a trade, try it to see if you can enter exit 1. Oh, come on. Don't. Just don't. Don't.
I'm gonna try to see that again. This looks very nice to the downside. We swapped liquidity. Yeah, I'm gonna take this downside here.
Order filled.
Stop loss is gonna be above these highs here. TP is gonna be Asia lows. Let's go these lows here. It's not even a 1-to-1.
To the macro.
Yes, it's not following though.
To follow your instinct. Is your team spending more time on timesheets than their actual work? Deltek Replicon simplifies time tracking by automatically capturing and verifying employee hours from the tools your team already uses. Try it today for free at replicon.com.
Sweat.
From watching her first hockey game to playing in one. At Credit One Bank, we believe having credit in rewards for the little moments today can lead to even bigger ones tomorrow. Credit One Bank.
This ain't looking too good anymore. Tab to this 4 hour. Need a break below here.
See. Let's break a structure on NASDAQ on the 5-minute. If we continue lower on NASDAQ, then we need 3 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes.
I'm gonna take a couple off here. Whoa. Need ES to start following. Alright, I'm gonna go break even here. Going break even here.
Stop field.
Stopped at a break even.
About a 4 and 15 minutes. Wait, let me see. We sweep those. ES comes up and takes out this, we form a 5-minute S&T here.
Got a 15-minute SMT. Got an SMT in here as well. Whoa.
Wow, look at it right there.
We're waiting until 10 now. Oh my gosh, dude. Why is this like not getting rid? Like there's nothing on TradingView. This copy trading shit is really getting annoying with only one monitor. Just 4 hour. Still got this SMT out of 4 hours, so still no clear. We need ES to break these lows here.
See if I get a 5-minute broken structure here on ES.
If we get a 5-minute break on ES, we're going. It's gonna run the full TP. Am I going break even too fast, dude? Like, I got $400 right now.
Jack. Break even better than loss. I really want shorts on EX, but I want a retracement. I'm not into the stock break structure. Bowl. We're going to Asia lows. We're just gonna find a Malone. So closed above the 39% extension though. I don't like that. I might form a 5-minute S&T.
check. What's happening to the 5-minute order block?
Maybe form a 5-minute. Now we did. Off a 15-minute low. I don't think I'm taking that short. I think though. I don't think I am.
I'm stone cold with the flash. If we get a break below here, that's gonna be a good short. It's Asia lows.
I don't like taking a short there with the 5-minute S&P after NQ took out those 15-minute lows. Equilibrium, dude.
Man, I just wanna go flash gold on my teeth and on my neck.
Scaring me.
Alright. This would have been break even anyway, even if I went break even here. Still would have been a break even trade, so. But I would have probably TP'd. But if we get a close below this fair value gap here, this won't be bad for shorts to target Asia lows. But pumping.
Work goes smoothly when you know the right steps. With Asana, you could
Rid of this, clear some things up, clear this. Might want to tap into this 15-minute order block. Rid of this.
Come on.
That's a
Holy
massive
shit.
lick though.
Oh my god.
Where you came from? A world I came from. In my own hole, moving like I got a vest on me. When you should place your bets on me. I can open up a bakery, put gas on me.
I can lick my balls.
The best on me. Stress on me.
Hold on a tick. Hold on a tick.
I want this 3-minute to form.
Is she trying to fake me out? Is she trying to fake me out?
I don't feel you alone. Sometimes I feel like I am home. Taking all these highs now. I want to see this be a sweep. And just go lower from here. Damn.
Slow down, bro. Slow down. The news drops. 4 minutes. Don't you dare take out that 1 hour high on this news candle.
I still think we see downside though.
I'm feeling
But
bullish
this-
right now. Was bearish, now I'm bullish. Switch my bias.
There's not. Damn, that 30-minute wicked everything. And that hourly, and that 4 hour.
I tell you right now.
We wicked everything. And we're gonna get a 5-minute.
Don't do that. You bastard.
We're gonna get a 5-minute CISD. We got a 5-minute.
Oh.
Wow. We just fully reversed.
No, not the news candle, you fuck!
I think we see downside from here, though.
Come on.
Might put an SMT at these highs and then start to see a sell-off. Got this massive 5-minute being created. Get rid of this. Get rid of this.
Trading day. Today's really gonna be no trading day.
I want to see downside from here. I want to see this 5-minute be created as an SMC.
Y'all don't even give me an entry, dog. No retracement to anything. Yeah, you're gay.
Popping the pills. This is the trade idea right now. Codeine when I piss.
Yeah.
Bitch is foreign.
We're at after these last two candles.
Where's your playlist taking you? Down the highway?
You could Venmo that.
Take out that 1 hour high.
Side shit. Beast mode. Beasto. Act up. Back up.
Probably taking on ES. Target these lows. Oh, really? You've just done so much. Break structure upside, break structure downside, break structure upside. SN here, SN there. I'm just wondering if this is a retrace down or continue out.
Big sacrifices.
I done made sacrifices. So many sacrifices. I done gave up so much free time, knowing time ain't free. Fuck it, I sacrificed it. My girl showed me love, she know I made sacrifices. And if it's real love, then you make sacrifices. To get ahead, man, you gotta make sacrifices. Fuck it, though, that's a hungry mind. What you telling me? I see the jealousy, I got telepathy, I got the recipe, I got the streets and I don't got no felony. Forward thinking, yeah, my mind is ahead of me. Mama said it's gonna be whatever you let it be. It's some homies I grew up with that's dead to me. It's some niggas that I just met a debt to me. What's in common is they both they respected me. I get in my way from Friday to Friday. My girl is a mix up of Leah and Sade. I came a long way from that Marvin and Sade. I pull out the driveway like I'm in a car chase speeding. And if my bitch she know I'm leaving. No text, no call, but that bitch airplane mode. Code, no P code, no time to change clothes. Same clothes, love if you living by the same code. G code, leave, huh? Get you dead to me, back to my destiny. Penthouse, bird's eye view, that's a nest for me. I got myself out of debt, and when you see me, know you somebody I never need. Sacrifices. So many sacrifices. I done gave up so much free time, knowing time ain't free. Fuck it, I sacrificed it. My girl showed me love, she know I make sacrifices. And if it's real love, then you make sacrifices. To get ahead, man, you gotta make sacrifices. Fuck it, though, that's a hungry mind. Yeah, I cut the fuck shit drama. I'm my energy, focus on it, enemy, never on it, enemy.
Same patient.
I done sacrificed my own mind. I done sacrificed the club life. I done sacrificed my love life. Look, I
Oh, this is making it really difficult for me right now.
And I done sacrificed my own time. I done sacrificed my own mind. I done sacrificed the club life. I done sacrificed my love life. I done sacrificed the thug life. Diamond shining, ain't no dull light. Drop my top to get my mind right. Pull up in the Rari loud pipes. Bitch, I'm the dime, my wrist 100. Yeah, Gucci Python. Yeah, she play with her tongue. I bought that bitch a new charm. Let nigga pop on, I told her come see about. Come on, come see. The devil had into my soul. My mama had beat the die. The devil, my mama. Remember my grandma had told me you better be somebody. Hop in my seats massaging. Watch how I lead the deposit. I made a new deposit. Paid all these dudes with the game. Sacrifice your strides for the stain. Heard you sacrifice your life for that chain. She sacrificed that money for cocaine.
This would probably be a dumb trade.
Take her to the mall and buy some.
He's going to 2.5.
Make way with the time be gone. Can't y'all recognize that we all came from sacrifice? Can't y'all recognize that we all came from sacrifice? 10 toes, yeah, you gotta stay.
10 toes.
Niggas looking for a way out. People watching, yeah, I gotta skip town. Hit my phone if you need a whole pound. I done made sacrifices.
Don't
So
like
many
how we formed the
sacrifices.
5-minute SMT.
I done gave up so much free time, knowing time ain't free. Fuck it, I sacrifice. My girl showed me less, you know I made sacrifices.
I just don't like how we formed the 5-minute SMT. I'm gonna be honest.
To get ahead, man, you gotta make
We didn't form
sacrifices.
that 5-minute, bro. Take it.
Fuck it though, that's how hungry my appetite is.
But I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna.
My great auntie was a slave. I could only
Come on, dude, just go lower.
I could only imagine all the shit she had to take. I'ma make sure all the blood she gave wasn't in vain. I sacrificed for your entertainment, boy. I'm Mr. Anderson in the Matrix. Take the last name, it's all facts. In the human race, it's all about pacing. Look at all the ones I outlasted. I'm the one at the end, like I count backwards. Never satisfied, details classified. Till the afterlife, make a sacrifice.
Damn, bro, this is really making me question this. Bro. I'm gonna miss out. We formed the 5-minute SMT, bro. I just don't like that. I
We're
don't
just
like it.
stuck in this range, dude. Terrible price action all week, dude. It's just getting me tight. Can't lie. Nothing to the left either, like.
That stops people out that went to break even.
Hey, you you decide. You decide if you left on let go. Out and I really think we're going lower here.
Take this trade. Just everybody knows. And take it. Patience. Patience.
We got a 15-minute rejection block here.
Holy shit, I'd be shitting my pants right now. But see, this is the real question right there, dog.
This would have been the entry.
Oh, man. That's giving me fucking more balls to want to go in with it.
Those chart colors scream unprofitable. That's funny.
I started taking it.
Am I on the wrong side? Like,
I think it's gonna hit. I didn't like that 5-minute S&T at all.
off. Basic. This would be the pal trade straight right here. He's probably taking this off the 50% of this wick right here. And that would be a century. The stop would be above here.
Don't like the 5-minute S&T we formed off that 1 hour high, because I would think the 1 hour sweep outpowers the 15-minute sweep we sweeped on NASDAQ. So I don't know. I mean, it looks like a good trade, but again, I'd rather miss out on this one. You can call me a puss or whatever, but I just don't. If we didn't form that 5-minute S&T, I'd be money in it right now. I'd be knee deep. But again, we formed a 5-minute, and I think we formed a 15-minute. No, not yet. Can form a 15-minute. Yeah, that's what I'm with you, Zach. I'm with you. I'm with you. And we're still in this. So we have a 5-minute SMT, and we're still in this 5-minute imbalance from 8:30, and this 5-minute order block. We haven't disrespected either of them.
Out and out. Oh, I see this trade play out so many times. I've seen this play out so many times.
If we get a 5-minute break of structure,
pressure, alright, switch on
this candle,
and
the inverse fair value gap, I'll go with it. Because again, we have 5-minute imbalance, 5-minute order block, 5-minute S&T. That's 3 confluences to the downside. We don't have that on ES, so I mean, there's no trade we can take on ES right now. But I just don't think that's an A+ setup. I think I'd be trying to rush that because there's 3 confluences that could say, hey, you can go to the downside. I don't like that. I'd rather miss out. Let's see if it hits. If it hits, it's a good paper trade. If it doesn't, that's why we're patient.
I really think we're going down here.
When you're craving this much goodness, Hardee's all-new barbecue pulled pork Frisco is 100% Angus beef and 16-hour slow-smoked barbecued pulled pork on toasted sourdough. Hardee's pulled pork Frisco burger.
And nothing like a feeling of a certainty.
Nugget.
Jimmy, you.
First TP with a hit, second TP, third TP.
Hold on, just hear me out.
Where's my pen?
Answer to this question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet. Ain't nothing like a feeling of uncertainty. An internal SMC here as well. I'm so confused. End of the world. Hit for you. Answer to this question, but be quiet.
Alright, guys. We're hitting it. We're hitting it. Hitting it. Would have been a solid trade, a 1 to 3. But again, I just don't think that was A+. I think these are one of the trades that we gotta like. It would probably bother me a little bit because we didn't take it. Or I didn't take it. You guys may took it. I don't know if you did wing long. But again, we had 3 bearish confluences that could have stayed in our way. So I didn't think it was worth the risk.
Oh, that's your phone.
Post that in the chat after. First TP would have been here. These highs. Second TP, these highs. Third TP, 1 hour high.
I feel high on the reverse. I say what I read in my mind.
Coming for those 1 hour highs when long.
Rich and blind.
Should have put it on. That looks good. You agree? My statement there. That's what I'm saying, yeah. That's what I'm saying. Better take the trade. Yeah, no, that's why I didn't take the trade. There was too many bearish confluences, like telling me like it could go to the downside. Yeah, no. I think we're at least gonna come to those 1 hour highs on NASDAQ if we sweep.
I want to see this 1 minute get ran through a CISD here, and I'll be in shorts to
Yo,
target
I
here.
cooked up a dirty parlay for this weekend's fight. Dirty work.
I really think we're gonna run through all of this. Low resistance. We just need a CISD inversion fair value gap. We already got SMC here, internal SMC and external.
This is hitting 1 hour highs, bro. I don't give a shit. What I say, I think it's hitting 1 hour highs, dog. Look at ES right now. Unless NQ wants to pull some shit. You don't think so, Zach? If we form this 5 minute fair value gap and inverse it on ES, then yeah, no. I feel like we're very bullish. We shall see. Let's put $50 on it, Zach. Me and you right now. I'm just fucking with you. I don't have $50. Spent it all on email. Give me my $10 back, motherfucker. I used your code. Another non-trade day for me, bro. Fucking a-hole, booty holes.
Shit.
The fuck? Damn, that would have been a doinker.
No, you wanna be my bro? No.
TP2 should have hit.
Smoke dope? No. Damn. Like, what are we pumping for?
Bang.
Holy shit.
Mixed out on that shit. See ya, Wing Wong. You should have taken profit. How'd you do? Did you make a good amount? That's a 1 to 3 right there, motherfucker. 1 to 3.1. Damn, dog. Why didn't I take that one? That one hurts. Still gonna bother me. Well, yeah. Damn. Oh yeah. You got right in at the equilibrium, huh? Where I said to go. Right.
Weekend. Weekend. Next up.
That's story. Didn't take it though, I'll be honest. Those did the same shit.
I want to take this. But I need to see how I stay.
It was a good trade, but again, we had confluence to the downside. We had that 5-minute S&T, we were in a 5-minute fair value gap and a 5-minute order block. I mean, it's just... Yeah, I mean... The only reason why I thought it would have been a really good trade is because, again, ES came down and took out our higher draw on liquidity. That's more powerful than our 15-minute draws in liquidity. NASDAQ just took out 15-minute draws. ES didn't, and then we came up and took out the 1-hour highs. I don't think that we'd have the potential to sweep this and then come back down just because NASDAQ took out these 15-minute lows.
Right, filled that 3 minute.
Since we took out the 15-minute lows, we have the potential to go fill that 1 hour first.
Still
maybe
that
continue
3 minute.
out, but I mean, again, that's when we formed that 5-minute SMT. That's what scared me, to be honest. Tell my story for you.
Let's use this 3 minute. I need this 3 minutes inverse, even though it's very tiny. Still a 1 to 1.3. We need a CISD.
Well, fuck. That would have been an extra 300 for me today. Real with you. That one. We could have thought of is write it down for next time maybe is we formed that 5-minute SMT right when we filled that 5-minute fair value gap. So the 5-minute fair value gap got respected out of both. I mean out of the SMT and the 5 minutes. So again, then we got bullish confluences out of it. Broke structure and inverse the fair value gap came down.
Alrighty guys, if we could inverse this 3 minute here within the next candle, I'm going to take shorts.
Bang, entry.
Targeting these lows and then all the way.
PP1, 1 to 1, basically. 1 to 7. 1 to 2. But first entry would have been here. 1 to 3. Yep. Balance.
If we inverse this 3, it looks so nice to the downside.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take a trade today. I think I missed out on my opportunity.
Whoa. Alrighty guys, if we could get this 3-minute inversion in 40 seconds and a CISD, I'm going to take these shorts to target all this low resistance here. This looks very nice to the downside. We swept these hourly highs. This just looks very nice to the downside. We just have to see how this 3-minute candle closes, and also on the 1 minute would be nice if we could get an entry here. We got 20 seconds.
5-minute SMT, and then we were also coming into a 5-minute order block and a 5-minute fair value gap. These ones. Yeah, no.
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, I'm gonna get in shorts right
Order
there.
filled.
Alright.
Stop loss is gonna be at these highs, and TP is gonna be at these lows.
Wing Wong took it.
Got this 3-minute inversion. We also got the CISD. Very nice.
I think I'm gonna let her go for today, guys. I think I missed out on my opportunity, to be honest. You're in shorts? What'd you see?
I like this. We have macro and
Structure on the 5-minute. You're looking good right now, Zach. What are you targeting? Oh, there's low resistance draws and liquidity down here.
Got macro in 5 minutes.
Got that 5 minute down below.
We break structure on the 5 minute too.
Just don't like how we respected on the 5 minute on ES.
We need to see it close below these lows. We already came back up. We need a break at these lows.
Pretty good cash. When I was looking at it, cash, what I saw was we broke structure on the 5 minute time frame on this candle 9:55. Then news came out and we swept out news on ES, the 1 hour highs. But then what I did is I scaled down to the I still we had this 5 minute imbalance that formed. I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame, and I saw that we came in, dipped into this 5 minute imbalance. Then you could see, like right here, we inverse this 1 minute fair value gap and break structure to the upside on this candle. That could have been first entry, and then I marked out equilibrium from these lows to these highs, and then we came down into equilibrium, got buying pressure out of it, and then this candle right here could have been a second entry, stop below where equilibrium gets invalidated. That's what it would look like. That helps you out.
Got macro in 2 minutes.
But I just didn't take it because we formed that 5 minute SMT. We were in a 5 minute bearish fair value gap right here, and we were reacting off of it. So with a 5 minute SMT, I didn't like it, and we were in a 5 minute order block. We swept these 1 hour highs in the beginning of the day. This was our order block right here. So I didn't take her. Yeah, that's how I am with these PA accounts, bro. I'm not trying to chase nothing. That's the only thing right now, but it's better to, I don't know. It's, you gotta trade how you trade when you're comfortable taking. Yeah, that bothers me a little bit right now, but fuck, it is what it is. We missed it. It's part of it. There'll be another trade either tomorrow or the next day. But I think I'm putting $70 or $100 fights. I cooked up a good ass parlay. I think I got a good ass parlay.
Alright, we are inside macro.
You want me to show you them? Alright, hold on, we'll do this. I want to see if we get a 5 minute retracement here and then show bearish confluences to the downside. To come and fill in this 5 minute gap. Let's see if we break structure on the 1 minute. Sweep, break a structure. This is like my first strategy that I first perfected. It was a high time frame liquidity sweep, 5 minute break a structure, wait for a 5 minute retrace, and then scale down to the 1 minute. So we got a break. We got a liquidity sweep, 5-minute break of structure, 5-minute retrace. Scale down to the 1 minute, and look for continuation confluences to the downside. All right, what do you? All right, we'll take a screenshot of this one. It was a 7 leg. We'll pull that up. And then prelims. We had these two. Dude, this dude on the first fight went to my college. Jacoby Smith. Alright, so I had this guy winning. I had Terrence McKinney winning. Right? So there's those two. Where's that other screenshot? It doesn't show it, huh? Alright, you got that one, Cash. And then for the other ones, you can see this. For the other ones, I had... Why the fuck? I can't really draw. Why is it doing that? Alright, Ilia Temporia versus Charles Oliveira. I got going over 1.5, because on the thing I bet on, it said it can go over 1.5. Pantoja versus Cara France. I'm going Cara France. Brandon Royval, whatever his name is, versus Joshua Van. I'm going Joshua Van. Then I'm going Monte Cano, and then Peyton Talbot. Even though Talbot looked like shit in his last fight, I think he's still good. And this guy he's fighting is nobody crazy. The last guy that Peyton Talbot fought, he's actually pretty good. I use Bet Online.
We did get this 5-minute break lower.
Picks for that, Wing Wong. I don't know no dogs or shit, whatever. Eat Ilya to lose. It's possible, bro. But I literally, like, that's why I put over 1.5, because I think it could go either way. You're still in the trade, Zach? Ilya's good, bro. Ilya's good. So's Charles. So,
Yes, it's just like
fighting.
not going.
I think it's either Ilya knocks him out because Charles does not have a good chin. How many times have you seen Charles get fucking wobbled and he goes right on his back for the guy to get on top of him? Yep. And if he gets hit by Ilya, bro, he's getting his lights. He's not going to be able to lay on his back and just try and submit someone. He's getting put out. Because if he can put out Max, he's putting out Oliveira, bro. What are you doing?
Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta pass.
Below the 79 extension level and break structure. I think shorts are looking good till that 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, keeps teasing. Saying yep, nope. Yep, nope. Yep, nope.
Ah, the slow chop, dude.
Gee. You got ES? Oh, no, that's fine. Good entry. I'm gonna like this if we break it. Keep reacting off the 79% extension, bro. Ooh. Ooh.
It's gonna be a long trade, dude.
What the fuck? Zach, it's playing with you right now. There she goes. There she goes. I might get in with you, dude. Never mind. Thank you. Close below the 79. You really? Come on. There you go. Let's go. Let's go.
Gonna be a long trade, bruh. Yes. What are you doing?
I'll buy cash. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade today, guys. I didn't like that first trade. I'll be honest. You know how many times that I've taken a trade like that, like a couple months ago, and it's like ES took out, or NASDAQ took out 1 hour highs, and we formed an SMT, and I still took it, and we end up going in the opposite direction. It's like, come on, bro. Like, come on. Come on. I'm gonna cut the kick screen. Peace out. Okay.
Yes, it's just so bullish, bro. We got all this low resistance. Just run through this, tap in here, and then you could go
Get
up.
stopped out, Zach. Dude, it's like we were. Would have been a nice trade. Wing Wong, you hit that shit, but I didn't like it, dude. I didn't like it enough to take it. That would have been a banger, though. That would have been a banger. How much? That would have been a 132 tick trade on NASDAQ. I'm gonna go to my 50K accounts.
Yes, it's just so bullish, bro. What are we doing? Take out all this.
Taking 3 trades in almost 2 weeks. Crazy. Let's see how big that size would have been.
Just need a break. Some volume. Where's the volume at?
4 micros, NASDAQ, 4 micros. Yeah, it'd been around a $300 trade, probably like 275-ish. 275-ish, we would have been. I think we would have been back. 49,772 plus, let's say 275. Hey, we're back in profit, $47. What happened? What did I miss? Yeah, no, Wing Wong, send me your email, or I can put it in the chat. I can put it in one of the chats. Yeah, I got micro E-mini with the ticks and how much, and then I got micro mini ES. For that. And then I have another one with minis about the ticks and the size. could put it in one of the free chats too, like the free PDFs if you want. It's just nice. You can just put it up next to your thing and be like, hey, this trade's 125 ticks. I want to go in, blah blah blah. Yeah, no, I can DM you. I'll put it in the Master free PDFs also on the Discord. But yeah, we missed out on this banger today.
Damn, dude.
Or not? Yeah, I don't think you did.
Yes, it's just not going down, bro.
Pink Bugatti. Pink Bugatti. Jack, you can stop. I gotta make protein pancakes. Put some protein powder in that fucking salt in that pancake mix. Stops above that fair value. You got which one? Right here. 69. This I'm guessing. I like the Cody. Oh yeah, I've seen those. I've had it before. They're good. But all right, guys. I missed out on a banger today, but it's all right, bro. It's all right. It's all right. Wing Wong made you some dough. But yeah. All right, boys. I'm gonna cut it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I think tomorrow's a trading day. Friday, where I'll be revised consumer sentiment. Yeah, I'm gonna trade today or tomorrow regardless. So we'll see if we see a setup like today, and then we'll go from there. Catch you guys. Peace out.
Need a break below these lows, inversing this 3-minute here, and it'll look good, but other than that, this is just very slow. Already been in this trade for 30 minutes. ES is starting to go down. Inverse to 3 on ES. Oh, not yet. Close. Now ES is going down and NASDAQ's going up. They just don't correlate at all today, and all this is slow chop, dude. And we are about to be stopped out.
Stop filled.
We're stopped out. Unfortunate, man. Another loss in the markets, dude. Fuck, dude. Down 227 on each account. Gosh, man. Losing day. I can't stand this. We're down 600.